what is going up? Welcome back to the best day trading, investing, money management channel on YouTube. If you guys are new to the team, drop a subscribe down below. For all my subscribers, I send you a free trading it book. You guys have to either email me or shoot me a message on Twitter or Instagram. Those are the best ways that I found that people have been redeeming their stuff. So all that will be down below. Also, this episode is brought to you by MVP Trading Academy. 50% off all products on the store, talking about how to day trade, how to get started day trading. So really the first month is $4, and if I were you, I'd just do the $4 a month and just cancel it after the first month, or just continue it's $8 after the first month. But in today's episode, we're going to be talking about really Ally Invest compared to Vanguard. Now, we all know Ally Invest. I've made a video in the past explaining why I left them for their trading platform, but really I kind of stuck with them for my retirement. Now, the reason why I did that is they offered a variety of platforms, and that's where my savings and checking account is. Now, the reason why I have my saving accounts with Ally is because they offer a 2.1% interest. Now that interest is over the course of a year, so when I have $10,000, I get a nice little chunk each month that they just directly deposit it right to my savings account. So right there, it's pretty cool. Now I thought it would be a lot easier and a lot more convenient to have my retirement planning with the same company and the same broker that I have my checkings and saving accounts with. I thought it would make everything a lot more streamlined, but really I started doing some research and I realized Ally Invest is not the best platform for retirement. Now, Ally Invest charges $9.99 for each mutual fund, not to mention the $50 fee they charge just for the management. Now, right there, it's ridiculous, and I kind of got stuck paying it. I got stuck in this rut of paying for my retirement, and there's nothing for me to do. So I did some research and I came across Vanguard. Vanguard is actually what most of probably your parents use if they have a 401k or if they have any sort of investment account. It's been around for a very long time. Now they do offer a lot of cool things that I like. Now they offer a $7 per trade transaction, which is kind of on the high side if you ask me, because when on my trading account I pay $2.95. So just to put things in perspective, they're probably getting an extra $6 per trade, because it's probably cost them $1. So right there, it's kind of a high upcharge if you ask me. But I'm not going to be really using this platform for stock trading, of course. I'm really going to be using this platform, I would say, for just putting in $200 or $300 a month into the S&P 500 mutual fund that Vanguard already offers. So right there, it's kind of interesting. Ally Invest, they charge a super high commission, super high fees. Now Vanguard, for their own ETFs and mutual funds, they don't charge you any fees or any commissions. So you pretty much put all of the money that you want to invest, and that goes straight towards your investment. You don't have to worry about the middleman taking money. You don't have to worry about when you close the account, they're going to take money. It's all your money going right towards everything, all your investments. Now, the reason why I wanted to use Vanguard's stuff is pretty simple. They have a long, reliable track history, and it's pretty cool because you can really put in the year you want to retire, and they will generate you a mutual fund that meets that criteria. Because if you're like me, I'm 20, can take a lot more risk now compared to if I was 55. I would want a more conservative and more in a more less risky fund compared to me now, because you're 20, you're a lot more willing to take more risks and everything like that. So that's pretty much why I am leaving Ally Invest and moving towards Vanguard. I'm excited to see where it goes. I did a lot of research, and one thing I also like about Vanguard is they automatically, well, you check off a little box, but they automatically reinvest all your dividends and all your gains from your mutual funds. Now, doing that, you're going to use something called compound interest. Compound interest, Warren Buffett even said, compound interest is one of the fastest ways to build wealth. Not so much fastest, but it's one of the best ways to build wealth. Now, the reason why is because the profit, you're going to be getting interest on your interest. So if that's, say you have a 10%, you get 10% a year. Now, that 10% that you just made as profit is going to be getting another 10%. Now that, so now you're getting 20%. And you do it so on and so on and so on. That's why you can put in like $10,000, and then over the course of 40 years, you can walk away with $200,000 or $300,000. So, it's something to look into, and I think that it's going to be the best thing for myself and my retirement goals that I have. So that is it, though. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. We'll do a free stock down below. You guys got to sign up with them. They're called Moomoo. It's literally just the same as Robinhood. So we'll put that down below. You guys can sign up and get a free stock. And then, that is it, though. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. And if you learned something, and if you learned something valuable, drop a subscribe. We're almost at 1,000. We've been doing so good that we slowed down. And let's get the momentum back, guys. We'll see you guys tomorrow in another episode. Remember to always stay happy, stay positive, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. Take care.